I have some extraordinary news that could potentially change your life. Are you ready to hear it? By dedicating just 30 seconds each day to a powerful prayer technique, you can initiate a series of positive transformations that will unfold within just 30 days. This is not an exaggeration. It's a profound truth rooted in both spiritual wisdom and scientific understanding. However, it's crucial to approach this technique with an open mind and a willing heart. If you choose to dismiss these steps, you might inadvertently attract the opposite of what you desire. This is a powerful reminder of the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. The technique I'm sharing is inspired by the teachings of Neville Goddard, a prominent figure in the realm of metaphysical and spiritual teachings. Goddard emphasized the importance of imagination and feeling as the keys to manifesting one's desires. He taught that our inner world, the world of thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, directly influences our outer reality. One of his famous teachings is encapsulated in the phrase, "When you pray, enter into your closet." This isn't a literal instruction to go into a physical closet, but rather a metaphorical call to retreat inward, away from the sensory experiences and distractions of the external world. In this metaphorical closet, you create a sacred space within yourself. This space is free from the limitations and constraints of your current reality. It's a place where you can let go of doubts, fears, and the influence of your five senses. Here, you can focus solely on the feelings and images of your desired outcome. By closing the door on external distractions, you allow yourself to connect with the essence of your desires at a deep emotional level. This is where true prayer and manifestation begin. Neville Goddard's teachings emphasize that prayer is not about begging or pleading with a higher power. Instead, it is about aligning yourself with the feeling of your wish already being fulfilled. This concept is rooted in the idea that the universe responds to your vibrational state. When you feel as though your desire has already been granted, you emit a frequency that attracts that very outcome into your life. This is why it's essential to immerse yourself in the sensation of having your desire fulfilled, rather than focusing on the lack or absence of it. Let's take a closer look at the biblical reference in Mark 11:24, which says, "Whatever things you ask when you pray, believe that you receive them, and you will have them." This verse encapsulates the essence of effective prayer. It's not merely about the act of asking. It's about cultivating a deep and unwavering belief that what you desire is already yours. This belief is not a superficial thought, but a profound conviction that permeates your entire being. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and consciousness with the reality you want to create. This alignment of belief and feeling is crucial because it activates the law of attraction. The law of attraction, a fundamental principle in many spiritual and metaphysical teachings, states that like attracts like. Your thoughts and emotions are powerful forces that shape your reality. When you focus on positive, uplifting thoughts and feelings, you attract positive experiences into your life. Conversely, if you dwell on negative emotions and thoughts, you may find yourself attracting undesirable circumstances. But how does this work on a scientific level? This is where the concept of the observer effect comes into play. In quantum physics, the observer effect suggests that the mere act of observing a phenomenon can influence its outcome. This means that our consciousness and focus have a direct impact on the physical world. At the subatomic level, particles can behave differently depending on whether they are being observed. This scientific principle aligns with the idea that our thoughts and intentions can shape our reality. When you focus your consciousness on a desired outcome, you are, in essence, influencing the quantum field to align with your intentions. Now, let's move into the practical aspect of this prayer technique. Begin by cultivating a sense of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that opens the heart and aligns you with the flow of abundance. It's a way of acknowledging the good in your life and expressing appreciation for the blessings you have received. When you start your prayer with gratitude, you set a positive tone for the practice. You might say, "Thank you for hearing me and blessing me with everything I could ever desire." As you express these words, truly feel the gratitude in your heart. This emotion raises your vibrational frequency and attracts positive experiences. After expressing gratitude, focus on a specific desire. It could be anything from financial abundance, a loving relationship, vibrant health, or personal success. The key is to be clear and specific about what you want. Visualization is a powerful tool in this process. Close your eyes and create a vivid mental image of your desire. See yourself living the life you want, experiencing the joy and fulfillment that come with it. Engage all your senses in this visualization. See the sights, hear the sounds, and feel the emotions associated with your fulfilled desire. For those who find visualization challenging, physical aids like photos or vision boards can be incredibly helpful. A vision board is a collage of images and words that represent your goals and desires. It serves as a visual reminder of what you are manifesting. You can place this vision board in a prominent place where you will see it daily. Alternatively, you can hold a photo that represents your dream, such as a picture of a dream house, a happy couple, or a symbol of good health. Holding this image while you pray helps anchor your focus and enhances the emotional experience. As you hold this image in your mind or in your hand, repeat the following affirmation. Thank you for hearing me. Thank you for blessing me with everything I desire. Money, love, businesses, relationships, health, and happiness. I'm grateful for it all. I already have it. This affirmation is a declaration of faith and confidence. It's a way of stating that your desires are already being fulfilled in the spiritual realm and are on their way to manifesting in the physical world. While repeating this affirmation, pay attention to your body language and posture. Your physical state can influence your mental and emotional state. Sit up straight with your spine aligned. This posture not only promotes good physical health, but also symbolizes a state of readiness and receptivity. Relax your shoulders and place your feet firmly on the ground, grounding yourself in the present moment. Lift your head high, embodying confidence and assurance. As you do this, smile genuinely. Smiling not only lifts your mood, but also sends a signal to the universe that you are open and ready to receive your blessings. Your posture and facial expressions are not just superficial gestures. They communicate your state of being to the universe. When you align your body with your intentions, you create a harmonious flow of energy that supports your manifestation process. This alignment helps you embody the feeling of your desires being fulfilled, which is a crucial aspect of effective prayer and manifestation. It's important to understand that this practice is not just about reciting words or visualizing images. It's about creating a deep emotional experience that resonates with the frequency of your desires. The more vividly and emotionally you can experience your desired outcome, the more powerful your prayer becomes. This emotional resonance is what attracts your desires into your life. It's like tuning into a specific radio frequency. You have to match the frequency of what you want in order to receive it. As you continue to practice this prayer technique, you may notice subtle changes in your thoughts, emotions, and circumstances. These changes are signs that your prayers are being answered. Trust the process and remain patient. Sometimes the universe may bring you experiences or challenges that help you grow and prepare for your desires. Embrace these experiences with gratitude, knowing that they are part of the journey toward your goals. Remember, you are the creator of your reality. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs shape your experiences. By practicing this prayer technique daily, you are consciously creating a positive and fulfilling reality. This process is not about forcing outcomes, but about aligning yourself with the natural flow of abundance and well-being. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. Remember, you have the power to manifest your desires through your beliefs, thoughts, and feelings. Stay tuned for more empowering content by subscribing to our channel and hitting that notification bell. And don't forget to write down the prayers mentioned in this video in the comments. These words can have a profound impact on your life if practiced consistently. Give this technique a try and watch how your life transforms. For now, it's time for me to go. Keep smiling and believing in your dreams. Until next time, my friends, peace out.